Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an online New York DMV learners. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to the website dmv.ny.gov/permits and then you press enter. And after that, you have to scroll down and then you press on how to get permit. And then you scroll down again and you press on show how to take your permit test. And after that, you scroll down and you press on see the instructions. And in this page, you have to scroll down again. And then you gotta press on begin your online permit application. And then it's gonna lead you to this website where you have to sign in if you have an account. If you don't, you have to just create an account. And then the DMV is gonna give you a quick introduction and show you and guide you through this process. But if you don't want to make it online, you can simply find your local DMV office and you press here. And here you can find all the locations that are probably next to you or around the region that you are in. So let's say, for example, I'm in Brooklyn and then the office is right here. You just gotta press on get directions and then it's gonna show you the map where you can get to your near local DMV. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.